got the culminating mission for all of the gold programs in the state. They're here to conduct a final stick slaying mission as a company. So we've got birds in the air, we've got all the candidates with their paintball weapons, and we're conducting a big culminating mission. So the importance for them is all of this leads up to OCS, Officer Candidate School in South Dakota, which is an 8-week program. So all of this helps prepare them to be the future leaders for the Oklahoma Army National Guard. The importance of developing them is all starting here at the Gold program, right? They get, 4 years of good leadership and mentorship from these NCOs, and then they spend their last senior year in college really learning from them as lieutenants and learning how to lead, conduct these missions and things like that. If you're currently serving Oklahoma Army National Guard soldier and you're thinking about becoming a leader, we would love to have you. I'm a product of this program, and I just can't give this program enough high marks for what it's done for me.